Good morning, students. Today we are again going to start with exercise 9b of chapter 9, profit, loss and discount, and hopefully we will finish this exercise today. So from the next session of this chapter we will definitely see that what is discount. Okay, so let's start. So your first question is, by selling two transistors for rupees 600 each. Okay, there are two transistors and they were sold of 600 each, means 600 for first and 600 for second. Okay, first gains 20%. Okay, means on first transistor there is a gain of 20%. Okay, and loses 20% on the another. Okay, so and loss on the second transistor is 20%. Okay, first transistor is gaining 20% and the second transistor is having a loss of 20%. Okay, so what will be the cost price of each transistor? So in solution we will see for first transistor. Okay, so for first transistor, let Cp is equals to rupees X, because we have to find it out. So suppose it X. Now on first one there is a gain of how much percent? 20% of Cp, means gain will be definitely on Cp only. So 20 upon 100 into X. Clear? This will be X upon 5, and from here you have got gain. Now we all know the formula. Sp is equals to Cp plus gain. Clear? So Sp of first transistor is 600 only. See, Sp of first transistor is 600. So 600, then X plus X upon 5. Clear? You will take the LCM. 5, there is nothing, so suppose it as 1. Now 1 5s are 5, 5x plus 5 1s are means x, and 600 will be written. Clear? Now this 5 will be cross multiplied. Okay, so this will be 6x equals to 3000. Okay, 5 6 is 30, so 3000. So x is equals to 3000 upon 6, means 500 rupees. Clear? This is a Cp of first transistor, that is equals to rupees 500. See, I hope it is clear. Now this is the first part, but this first part is not over yet, because we have to find out the Cp of the second transistor. Now case 2 for second transistor we are going to see. For second transistor, so as we all know that, let first see that Cp is equals to again X. Okay, and as we all know that there is a loss of 20% on the second transistor. So we will see what is the loss. So 20% of CP, so 20 upon 100 into X means again this will be X upon 5, but now it is the value for loss. So selling price is equals to CP minus loss. Okay, in case of gain there was plus and loss means minus. Clear? Now the SP of second transistor is also 600 rupees and CP over here is X minus X upon 5. Now calculate this. This will be 5X minus X. Again see, this will be 4X upon 5. So 4X is equals to 3000. Okay, so X is equals to 3000 divided by 4. You will get 750. I hope it is clear. So CP of second transistor is rupees 750. Now we all know that. Now the first part is solved and we all know that the second part, I will write it over here. Second part is actually asking total CP and SP of both transistor. Okay, this was the second part. So we will calculate CP. So CP of both transistor that will be 500 plus 750. Clear? So 500 plus 750 will be 0, 5, 12 means 1250. That will be the CP of both the transistor. Now SP of both the transistor. SP of both transistor. So SP of both transistor is 600 is means 600 plus 600. That means rupees 1200. Clear? Now let's see the third part of the similar question. Now let's see the last part of the similar question. The question is asking we have to calculate the profit or loss percent on the whole. Okay, so CP of both transistor was rupees 1250. See, CP of both the transistor was rupees 1250 and SP of both transistor rupees 1200. Clear? SP of both the transistor is 1200. So definitely the person is purchasing the thing in 1250 or 1250 and selling it in 1200. So he's having a loss. So loss is equals to CP minus SP means 1250 minus 1200. So you will get rupees 50 as loss. Now we have to calculate the loss percent. So loss percent is equals to loss upon CP into 100. You must learn the formulas which I am using in the videos, so that you may able to do the solution, okay, and you may not face any difficulty. So as we know that loss percent is having a formula, and please learn it by heart. So loss is 50, CP is 1250 into 100, then this will be 500 upon 125. You will get 4% as loss percent. Clear? Okay, now let's see the next question. Now let's see what question number 2 is saying. Find the loss or gain as percent if CP of 10 articles, all of the same kind, is equal to the SP of 8 articles. Means thus the question is telling that the CP means the cost price of 10 article is all of the same to the SP of 8 articles. So we have to find out the loss or the gain percent. Clear? So we are supposing, let CP of 10 article is equal to SP of 8 article is rupees 80. We have supposed this thing, this rupees 80 has been supposed, okay. So if 10 article cost price and 8 article selling price is suppose rupees 80, okay. So what will be the cost price of one article? Means 80 upon 10, you will get rupees 8. What will be the selling price of one article? That is 80 upon 8, you will get rupees 10. Here you are getting rupees 8, and here selling price you are getting rupees 10. So means gain SP minus CP, because we are selling in more price. So 10 minus 8, that is 2. So gain percent, gain upon CP into 100 means 2 upon 8 into 100. We will calculate and we will get 25% as our answer. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Now see question number 3. The selling price of an article is 96% of its cost price, okay. Means suppose there is some price, okay, at which the article is being sold, and what will be the cost price? It will be the 96% of the selling price, okay. So we have to find out the loss or the gain as percent on the whole. So let's see solution. Okay, so we have to find out the loss or the gain percent, and over here the selling price of an article is 96% of its cost price. So cost price, let cost price is equals to rupees 100, suppose, okay. I have supposed this as rupees 100. So now SP is 96% of cost price, means 96 upon 100 into 100. So this will be SP rupees 96. So cost price is 100 and selling price is rupees 96. So definitely it is a loss. (100 minus 96) means rupees 4. as loss. So loss percent so loss is 4, CP is 100. So loss percent is 4%. Clear? Let's see the next question. Now the last question of exercise 9B. Oranges are bought at 100 for rupees 80. Means 100 oranges are bought by some person and the cost of that oranges is rupees 80, and all of them are sold at 80 for rupees 100. Means out of 100, okay, 80 oranges are sold and their selling price is 100. So find the loss or gain in this transaction. So we know that CP of 100 oranges is rupees 80. So CP of one orange will be 80 upon 100. We will calculate it, and what we will get? Rupees 0.8. Selling price of 80 orange is rupees 100. So selling price of one orange will be 100 upon 80. That will be 1.25. Clear? When you will calculate it, you will get 1.25. Okay. So selling price is 1.25 and cost price is 0.8, means clearly we are getting profit. So profit is equals to SP minus CP. So SP was rupees 1.25 and CP was 0.8. So this will be rupees 0.45. Clear? Now let's see the profit percent. 0.45 upon 0.8 means profit upon CP, that was 0.8 into 100. When we will solve the decimal, you have to see that when we are removing the decimal, so after decimal there are two digits, so two zeros will be added, means 100 will be there. Okay, the power of 10 is increased, so 2 means 100. Okay, two digits are there and there is a single digit after decimal, so 10 is increased and this 100 is kept as it is, so 100 will be cut. Okay, so this will be 45 multiplied by 10 means 450 upon 8. So you are getting profit percent as 56.25. You can easily do it, and you, if you are not getting the answer, please tell me. Okay, try to improve your calculation also. Okay, and ask your queries where you are facing any difficulty of any exercises of the particular chapter. Okay, so thank you.